So my Faceless channel got rejected, and this is after I have hit the 4,000 watch hours. And the funny thing, YouTube never showed me any sign or even warned me. They never told me I was doing anything wrong. I only found out when I was ready to apply. They said no. But what I discovered after that single rejection changed everything and my entire content creation. I fixed those things, I reapplied and got accepted. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact traps that will stop your Faceless channel or your AI channel from getting monetized on YouTube. I'll be showing you all this so you don't have to go through the hacks that I went through because it wasn't funny. Trap number one, your channel has no direction and YouTube knows this. You started with motivational quotes and motivational videos. The next week, you are already doing crime videos and the rest of it. And once you do that for some weeks, you change to an entire different niche altogether. Some of you even went as far as teaching. I mean, I don't understand. From Faceless channel to teaching inside the Faceless channel, and next one, you already switched to another different thing. And most of you even quit before the breakthrough. Please pick one lane, and once done, stay in it. Stay in it long enough to see results. Everything in your channel should look like it belongs to the same world. You have to be consistently doing what you are doing, not changing every single week. Trap 2, and this is what this is mine. This is from my experience. Recycling clips and calling it content. One video went viral, and not that I recreated everything. I just took a clip or some resources. If you have got my Faceless YouTube Cashflow, that is my Faceless YouTube course, I explain to you how you can do your videos. There is a very good detailed video showing you everything that you need to do. So for mine, I was just using that same resources to get other videos, and they were not doing bad, they were doing well, and I was like, thinking that that is the best option. But nope, recycling will only get your channel not to be approved. It will just make your channel not to be approved, to be rejected. You don't need to use the same footage. Even if something got traction and you want to recreate something similar, get different clips, different footages, the one you haven't used before. YouTube calls it reused content, and trust me, this is not an experience you like to have. Honestly, it broke me, honestly. Imagine when you're about to harvest what you have been sowing and you end up seeing an empty stuff. Please don't do that. YouTube audits your entire channel before approving you for monetization, not just your recent uploads. Every single video on your channel is part of the review, so do not use the same footage or clips twice. Trap 3, you upload everything and say nothing. It's good to upload consistently, but tell me why you'll be uploading 3, 4, 5 videos every single day. I mean, how do you create your content? You just copy what people do, use AI to read it, and just produce it like that. Being consistent is good, but YouTube reads it as mass production. Mass produced content is literally one of the rejection labels YouTube uses. Every single video you put out must carry a very good message, something that makes people feel, think, share, or debate. Storytelling channels especially, there's this channel that I saw, she was just repeating what another person already did. She would just copy, use transcribe to transcribe everything that you said in your video. And the thing is, it was another video that this person was actually copying, and she was producing excessively. Of course, they rejected her monetization, and I saw the video when she was crying on YouTube. I went to her channel and I discovered this even without having to watch lots of videos from her channel. In as much as you are trying to get ideas from somebody, please do not copy. Get inspiration, get what is working, and try to tweak it and produce your own original content out of it. Trap 4, YouTube doesn't feel a human in your content. This is the one that always takes out Faceless channels. When your content feels just assembled, not created. You can spot them when you see one. Very easy to dictate. YouTube needs to sense a human presence and real identity behind every single content you are putting out. And your voice is the easiest fix, and it actually performs better than most people actually expect. Or use paid voiceover tools. Use realistic human sounding. It is monetization safe. Add commentary, mix narration with dialogue, even if you don't want to show your face. The goal is a consistent human identity, not just a consistent upload. And the trap 5, your channel looks like 10,000 other channels on YouTube. Same niche, same tool, same voiceover, same editing template, same visual style. When a reviewer looks at your channel, they are always asking, what makes this your channel different from the other one they reviewed? Now, let me ask you, what makes yours different? If you cannot answer this, your channel isn't safe. Try and fix it. Use the method we just mentioned and fix your channel. Don't just follow the viral trends. Be the person that creates the trend. There are two different things. Go back into your ChatGPT, into your Claude, and rewrite it using your own voice. Change images every 4 to 5 seconds. Add motion. Use zooms, keyframes. And the trap number 6, you are using the wrong tools and don't even know. If you're using one email and one AdSense account across your multiple channels, YouTube can flag all of them at once. Be very deliberate about what account you connect to what channel. Use watermarks. I have already said this before. Someone took my video. They didn't repurpose anything. Even my thumbnail. Yes, they went as far as taking my thumbnails. They took my title and everything. So whenever you are uploading your videos, make sure to add a good thumbnail and also watermark your videos. Just your name at the top, the bottom, or at the middle. Even film producers do this all the time. Even when they have their cast faces showing, they still watermark their videos. So always do that to yours. And even before you think of monetizing your channel or applying for monetization, go through your videos, audit your channel, clean it, and apply. And the 7th trap, copyright issues. I have received a lot of questions, and I have even on Facebook as well. I keep telling my mentees, do not use people's music, do not use sounds in your Faceless channel. A music that is not copyrighted today might be copyrighted tomorrow. So in whatever you are doing, please do not use people's music. In fact, just use your voiceover. Avoid everything music, avoid anything sound that is not originally yours. And if you are already rejected, if your channel is rejected already and you know you violated the rule, this is what to do. You don't need to appeal. It will make things better. Delete the violating videos. Keep uploading clean content to your channel and reapply when the window opens. You will be accepted. Congratulations in advance. But if you know that you did nothing wrong, your channel is clean and everything was originally yours and different from each other, follow the steps and appeal with a 3 to 4 minute video. Show your face and screen record your actual creation process. Walk YouTube through your tools and workflows. Be specific and be calm. Type your channel URL visibly on screen and also paste it into the submission link field. Missing that one detail has caused lots of real rejections. And don't forget to submit the appeal as an unlisted video. These are the 7 traps that I fell into. I fixed them anyways. That is why I'm sharing this, so you will escape. So go audit your channel right now, even before your next upload. And if this video helps you or you have any questions at all, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to thank me as well in the comment section. I am Success and I wish you success. And of course, I know you love to see me in my next video. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you soon. Bye.